If you happen to be on a tablet or on a mobile phone and you want to insert comments, the best way to do this is to select the item you want to insert the comment on, go to the review pane, and instead of new comment, you actually use the ink comment. And what the ink comment allows you to do is allows you to use your finger on your phone or tablet to actually write your comment out. Now I'm using a mouse, so it's a bit rigid. So you can use your finger on your tablet to write a comment out. And that's another way to insert comments. And you can also delete in the same way by right-clicking and go to delete, or if you're still on your tablet, you can hit the delete button or accept button. An alternative to inserting comments is to use the inking feature. So you go to the review tab. On the far right hand side, you see start inking. When you click on that, the inking pane shows up with the pens, and you can choose a pen. You can even choose the pen's thickness, and you can ink your document. Let me choose a different color, red. So here I can ink my document and insert annotations in my document. This is very useful for marking documents or highlighting features. It even has an eraser tool here where you can erase your annotations. You can actually print your document out with these annotations. You can also select annotations. Let's say I put in a big annotation here. I can put another one here. I can use the select object feature to select my annotation and move my annotation around. And when I'm done annotating, I click the stop annotation button. So let me annotate again, click my stop annotation, and I can go back to editing my document.